Nakita niyo ba? Saan niyo ba? Yan. Okay na, Jads?
Yes.
Okay, so... So, for my family reflection of family genogram, may reflection po. So, as you can see from... Wait pa ba? Ala, hindi. Ayun. So, as you can see in my family genogram, we have several people na connected po sa aming ancestors. And also, kung makikita niyo sa aming family genogram is marami or malawak po yung family namin, and hindi bumababa sa 5 yung lahi from our great grandparents. So it all started from my dad. So I am the fifth one sa amin pong pamilya. So ako yung bunso. And one thing I've noticed from our family is we have second names, kasi kung mapapansin nyo sa first, second generations, they only have first name and then last name agad. So sa family namin, nagkaroon kami ng second names, and which are all related to Bible. So lahat ng mga names namin related sa Bible. And one thing then that I've noticed from our family genogram is ever since I was a kid, talagang we were devoted into Catholic Church. That's why siguro yung mga pangalan namin pagmula sa panganay hanggang sa akin is related sa church. So ayun po yung reflection ko sa aking family genogram.
Yung sa akin naman po, this is my genogram. Siguro, I think the prevailing traits that I got from my mother is, I think yung skin color niya and the way she handles our family, kasi ano po siya, very bossy, and I see that also sa sarili ko. And what are the significant patterns of event behavior? Next na. As a whole na lang siguro, looking at yung genogram ko as a whole, I think that yung kung ano yung meron ako is a product of two strong families, and it shows that I am inherited in a good way, and my character reflects also the way na pinalaki nila ako, and yeah, yun lang.
So, hello, ito yung genogram. Wala, hindi siya kita. Ito, so, yun. Yung prevailing traits ng mother side ko is yung pagiging hardworking, then yung family-oriented sila. Then, yung sa father ko naman, na-notice ko na yung pagiging determination and discipline nila. Then, next is yung significant patterns. Mostly sila is mag-push na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Then yun yung napapansin ko na pattern simula sa generation ng aking mga grandmothers and hanggang sa generation namin. Then yung genogram naman, what does my genogram as a whole tell me about myself? Is yung nanggaling ako sa family na binavalue yung unity, hard work, and yung love for one another. Yun lang.
So, ito pala yung ito yung genogram ko. Hindi talaga kami yung full yung family. Tatlo lang talaga kami sa family namin. And I think, I noticed na yung sa mother side ko is yung trait of being nurturing, hardworking, and close-knit. Then sa father side ko naman is yung pagiging disciplined, determined, and practical. So I also observed patterns of sa family ties and shared values across generations, especially in terms of resilience and responsibility. So these realizations made me understand how my family's experiences and values mm, shape me into someone who values both relationship and perseverance. Overall, my genogram tells me that I am a product of both care and discipline, and it highlights the importance of family influence in my personal growth and identity. Yun lang po.
Sino na next?
Kalina. Kalina. Haba na nito, di na ito magkakasya sa G-Site.
Sorry. Eto. Kalina. What are the prevailing traits from my mother's side and from my father's side? From my mother's side, I can say the prevailing traits is my facial features. A lot of people say magkamukha kami, and so yung teacher ko pa nga nung grade 12, sinabi niya kung kapatid ko raw ba yung nanay ko, which is very complimenting for her. And from my father's side, sa nakuha ko sa kanya is behavior and yung traits niya as a person. Kasi my father is very extrovert, very talkative, and while I strive to be like him, I've also gotten traits like magaling mag-articulate, magaling magsalita, and that's what I got from him. Are there any significant patterns or events, behaviors, relationships that I've seen in my genogram? One thing's for certain. I was never close with my mother's side. Dahil sa mother's side ko, I never met my lolo there because nag-break sila ng aking lola. And my great-grandparents sa mother's side ko naman is hindi ko na sila nakilala dahil nag-stay na sila sa Japan. And ever since from my birth, I've never met them. Pero luckily, while di ko nakilala yung mga grandparents ko sa mother side ko, may nag-adapt sa mama ko, which is foster parents. And these foster parents are the ones that I met as my grandparents. And what are the truths that I've discovered about my family? Like I mentioned earlier, ayun nga, hindi ko talaga naging ka-close yung sa mother side ko. All that I have was my father's side. And what does my genogram tell me as a whole? And tell me about myself and my family from the background of my mother and my grandmother from my father's side is that we are very religious. Even though to the point na hindi ako masyadong nag-church, they always invite me. My grandparents are always invites me to go to their daily weekly masses every Sunday, and then lalo na kahit magkaiba sila ng religion, they're still complementary to each other. They respect one another and respect the boundaries between the religions. And that's all for my genogram.
Hindi ka naririnig. Yeah.
Si Felix.
Okay na ako.
Okay. So, sa akin naman, ito yung genogram ko. Kita ba? Hindi. Pero sige. So, yung nakuha kong trait sa mother side ko, siguro yung pagiging lovely nila. Like, like, independent sila, ganon. Tapos, din sila sa sarili nila. Kaya nilang tumayo sa sarili nilang paa, ganon. And then yung sa father side ko naman, siguro yung pagiging hardworking at saka disiplinado. Kasi sa family namin, yung dad talaga yung nasusunod. So, pag hindi sinunod si daddy, like, hindi naman sa pero like, alam mo yun, like, sa family, yung tampuhan, ganun. Tapos, yung na-discover ko sa family ko, yung sa father side ko is, sila, mga OFW, and sa mother side ko naman mga office yung work nila, so like hardworking both ng parents ko sa father side and mother side, kaya parehas din na kaya nilang mag-stand on their own. And then yung genogram yung tell me about myself and my family. Siguro kami, as one kami sa family, kasi kung ano yung decision ng isa, dapat decision din ng lahat. So, yun lang.
Okay, thank you. That's it. At
Photo.
mga Jods,
Photo op.